you've been hearing, and what do you feel like is important for people to know who's either starting a business or already have a business up and running?
Well, so first of all, I'm not coming to this as not being part of the process too. I own a business myself. I've been there. It's been frustrating where you're looking to get this momentum moving, and you're looking to get this funding, and you got this vision in your head about this business you want to create. And that person comes to tell you and say, well, that's going to take some time to do that. That may annoy you to think that process is going to take you a little time, but that's actually part of the fun, is learning to master this process and enjoying the process of learning these different tools. So I had the pleasure of talking to a couple of clients this week. Great conversations. Initially, they started off thinking they wanted to get a business line of credit, right? And that's like a really great tool, low interest rate, cheap money, very flexible in using it. It's a great tool to have. But they maybe weren't there. Maybe for some reason, maybe the credit score wasn't there. Maybe they didn't have the history in the business, Maybe they didn't have the documentations to support their time in the business. Maybe they were doing the business off the books for a while, or maybe they started to get serious about the business, started to do the business on the books. And once they started to legitimize their company, they realized that they wanted different tools, but they don't have that time to show it. So I started to talk about, okay, well, we still can get there. It may be the third or fourth step. Maybe the first step is just getting some startup funding. We can do some credit card stacking with you. We'll still get you some really good tools. You still can have some flexibility in using them. And if we get you what we get you, we're getting you 0% for, I think it's 21 months. And so that gives you some flexibility in use. You can pay a little bit back over time. And so it's good. It's a good way to start. And start just paring down. We start here, and then we go from there. Maybe if you got some movement in your business, you got a lot of transactions, but we can go to MCA route. We can get what's called a merchant cash advance. That would be a good route to go. And then maybe after that step is the business line of credit, right? And then depending on a person, their mindset, having them go, oh, okay, that sounds great. Let's do that. I like you, Tavante. Look, I like me too. I like how you paired that out, and that's how you got to think about this thing. This is not going to be some one and done.